According to Missouri's State Emergency Agency, flash flooding is Missouri's deadliest severe weather hazard. The current season often can lead to conditions that allow for flash floods. The St. Joseph Public Works and Transportation Director, Abe Forney, says the addition of storm water pumps a few years ago greatly reduces flood risks.
If we didn't have these pumps, we would have to purchase pumps, bring them in, and have people come and fuel them and maintain them all the time. So in flash flood situations, we can just kick these on, and that will alleviate the flooding from the downtown area.
Forney says it also reduces the likelihood of wastewater mixing with the stormwater system and causing contamination.